Hi there. Today, I'm going to show you a foolproof method to making the perfect hard-boiled eggs. First, bring a pot of water to a full boil. Then, gently place the eggs into the pot. After 30 seconds, turn off the heat, but do not remove the pot from the stove. Depending on how you like your eggs, cover them for 7 to 9 minutes for soft boil, 10 to 12 minutes for medium boil, and 13 to 15 minutes for hard boil. Then, place the eggs into a bowl of lukewarm water for 2 minutes. Drain the water, easily peel the eggs and enjoy.